Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Dial Easy. So in this video we're going to discuss about position of constitutionalism in India and the concept of constitutionalism in India. So as we all know that in other words, constitutionalism is a political philosophy in which the functions of government of a state must be accordance with the provisions of the constitution, meaning thereby the actions of government must reflect constitutionality. So as the constitutionalism is a political spirit or philosophy, so it is not necessary that the state who have a constitution must be embodied with the concept of constitutionalism. So according to Douglas Greenberg, constitutionalism is a commitment to limitations or ordinary political power. So it revolves around the political process once that overlaps the democracy in seeking the balance state power and individual collective rights. So it draws on particular cultural and historical context from which it emanates and it resides in public consequences. So the brief discussion of provision of constitution provides us a vision to see the process going on the political system of country. So in which we find that there are very detailed descriptions of powers of organs of government so that they can exercise their powers with the boundaries of constitution, that is higher law in India, owing to which government organs become unable to entertain arbitrary powers, and also these provisions provide a paramount place to laws whose main aim is to protect the interests and individuals in country. So in this way in India, constitutionalism is undoubtedly present, but there is only one exception, that the doctrine of rule of law does not prevail in India as in England. So natural justice principles to govern administrative functions, since the rule of law was a judicial review in a single system cannot be realized easily. So thank you, see you next video with some more information.